Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Node It All. Tonight we're going to cover a coin called Node. Here's what we got. So it's roughly around 4,440% return on investment. Guys, these crazy ROIs don't last, okay? I'm not going to beat around the bush and tell you guys that this is going to last because for sure it won't. I promise you. And if it does, then I apologize. And by the way, guys, this is not financial advice. And make sure you guys like and subscribe, okay? And watch the entire video because I say some good stuff. Okay. It's producing around 974 coins a day, guys. $61,000 worth, almost $62,000 worth of volume. It's 8,000 coins for a Masternode. I believe they just increased this from 4,000, so another collateral increase. Guys, when they do collateral increases, it just seems like a kind of a money grab. This isn't financial advice, but this is kind of like a money grab. I know you guys, some of you guys bought Node and I got stuck with it. It wasn't good. All right, let's get into this Bitcoin talk. They have a newbie member here, guys. That's not good news. And it's been around for almost 2 months. That's definitely not good news. I would definitely say that this is questionable already in terms of marketing. You want to create demand for your coin. You want to make sure people know about your coin, especially within the Bitcoin community. If people don't even know about it, then how are you guys ever going to be successful, right? Which is another potential red flag. Guys, this is not financial advice. All right. So they got no go on the Bitcoin talk. They do get a go on the volume. Crex24, I think, is an okay exchange. It kind of passes my exchange protocol with Graviex. It's not a scam exchange from what I know. I don't really know too much about it. I think it's kind of new. So we'll give it the benefit of the doubt that it's okay. CryptoBridge, we know, is accredited in the community. So that's good. Guys, roughly around a $2,600 node today. Looks like it's kind of trading flat around 20 to 30 cent area. So it's right in the 30 cent area. I think this is like the main support it originally got off this initial pump. Guys, we can get into technical analysis in another video, but I do some swing trading on the side, and we can get into that stuff too, especially with some of these higher volume masternodes like maybe Dash or Zencash. Anyways, let's get back to it. Coin inflation is obviously really ridiculously high. One node is 8,000 coins, guys. If it's producing around 974 coins a day and there's 300 masternodes, there you go. You got to have around almost 300,000 coins a day. So, and 63% of the coins are locked. That's good because that means there's people holding nodes. Let's go into their Discord here and see how their activity is here. Looks like they just partnered with CryptoFlow. Guys, I think a couple guys were asking about CryptoFlow in the Discord the other day, and I wasn't too much of a fan of it because of the coin distribution. And I don't really know too much about that project, but I don't really think that it's something viable that I even want to review. So if they're partnering with a coin that I don't really want to review, then maybe you should be careful. Yeah, be careful. However, they are partnered with card buyers, which they did take like I said in the video, that their price could decay. I thankfully sold my node a long time ago. Anyways, guys, it's not financial advice. So basically, our Discord channel looks active enough to get the check mark. They're doing partnerships. They're trying to show the people that they're doing something, which is good. Let's check out their website. They do have a team, so that's good. And they have, I guess, a Twitter, Gremlins Trading. Sorry, the page doesn't exist. Well, that doesn't sound too promising, guys. Not gonna lie. Although I did see this guy, I think his name is Ross Jones or something. I feel like I've seen him before or something. Looks similar, looks familiar. So what happens if you sign in? Okay, so you can like sign up. Let's see what happens if we do this. See if this is actually interactive. I think this is just a way to get your email, but whatever. They can have my email. Yeah, sign up. So it doesn't actually work yet. So it looks like they just have 3 people on their team from what I can see. I don't know how to get to the other people, but anyways, you know, that's not really good. You have 3 pictures here. They could just be anybody. Just saying. I'm not saying they are or aren't. I'm just saying that they could be. 90% of the block reward goes to the Masternode. That's a little significant. That's definitely significant. Guys, always question when things are too good to be true. I definitely learned my lesson a long time ago in this space that when you see stupid gains like 5x, 10x, you should probably just take your profit. If you got a 90% block reward, it seems a little drastic. I don't know. Let's go through the white paper though. Save node solution, use of funds, introduction. We're only a small percent. It's a really niche market. Saying that there are many people out there who are interested in knowing more. Okay, you guys can read this. Save node solution. So they will offer the ability to invest in the top 4 coins. All coins share full maximum. This will be done in phases. So they're saying that they're going to be able to, you can choose your risk profile. So like from high to low, like, so kind of like an index fund where you can pick and choose what coins you want to buy. Interesting. Never really thought about a use case like this. So they have a step up collateral, which I guess means that it increases. So let's check that out. So right now, yeah, it's kind of like condominium where they're doubling the collateral, guys. Be careful with this. Now they're doubling the collateral. That is a way to increase and keep people invested in the coin. However, it also could just be a money grab. So be very careful about the products that they are actually providing you guys. If they're providing a product, that's usually a good sign. Or if they already have a product, that's good. In this case, they don't even have a product yet from what I see. So anyways, guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. I like to make sure I cover your guys' coins that you guys want me to review. Let's see what else we got to cover here tonight. The block explorer. Okay, let's take a look at the coin distribution. So looks like the top 25 wallets are less than 50%, I would say. Yeah, definitely less than 50%. So this looks like the pre-mine wallet, the 300,000 coins that they pre-mine right here. So that's good. So the use case, we didn't really get one. So there's no use case. They sort of have an exposed team. So that is definitely going to get an X. Okay, so Bitcoin Talk, X. Volume, check. Discord, check. Coin distribution, check. The daily rewards, I would say definitely doesn't get the check mark. There's definitely too much coin inflation going on with the ROI right now, especially with 300 nodes online. And let's take a look at the order book, because that's, guys, that is basically your liquidity if you want to get out of this node, or if you already have the node and you want to make sure that the price is going to hold up. Want to take a look at the order book. So it looks like there's around 3.4 Bitcoins of volume or of buy orders, which is okay. That's not great. It's not good. It's not bad. But you got to be careful. Look, there's a guy bidding for 25 million coins at 2 Satoshi. Yeah, he's looking for a mistake order. Anyways, so I'd say that this is okay. This would get the check mark in terms of somewhat of liquidity. Based on my vetting system, guys, I'm gonna have to give this coin like a 5 because, like I said, Bitcoin Talk, noobie. Coin distribution gets the check, but the inflation kind of negates it. So it kind of a scratch on that part of the process. So far they're already like in the red, right? They're already -1 for a newbie Bitcoin Talk thread. They get the positive for the volume. Okay, so now we're back to 0. The coin emission was not good. They're not on low volume exchanges, so that gets the check. There's really no use case, and the team was kind of exposed, but not really. So yeah, like maybe like a 5. I'm giving them a generous score here, guys. It doesn't look really too promising. They just have a really high ROI, and they're making it look like they're active in the discords to kind of keep your attention. I'm not saying this is a scam. I'm just saying that this is something that I probably wouldn't purchase personally. But this is not financial advice, right, guys? Make sure you guys like and subscribe.